Have you ever wondered how some streaming websites, free movie platforms, and video hosting services stay online for years, even when they constantly face copyright complaints and takedown requests? Why do some websites disappear overnight, while others continue operating without major interruptions? Is it just luck? Or is there a system working behind the scenes? Today, I'm going to reveal how streaming and video hosting platforms protect themselves from takedowns, what infrastructure they use, what challenges they face, and why hosting plays one of the biggest roles in their survival. Make sure you watch this video until the end, because if you're planning to launch a video sharing platform, streaming website, or any content-heavy project, this information can save you a lot of time, money, and headaches. Welcome back to ABC Hosting. I'm John, and today we're discussing an interesting topic: how streaming and video hosting sites protect themselves from takedowns. This is not just about movies or entertainment websites. Many video sharing platforms, file hosting services, live streaming projects, educational video portals, and content sharing communities also face similar challenges. So let's understand how these platforms protect themselves and keep their services running. Before we discuss protection methods, let's first understand what a takedown actually is. A takedown usually happens when a copyright owner believes that their content is being distributed without permission. The copyright holder sends a complaint to the website owner, the hosting company, the data center, domain, registrar, CDN provider. In many cases, the hosting provider receives the complaint first. If the provider follows strict copyright policies, they may suspend the website, remove files, or even terminate the server completely. This is why hosting becomes one of the most critical decisions for streaming and video hosting platforms. Many beginners start with standard shared hosting or regular VPS providers. The problem is that most mainstream hosting companies have very strict copyright policies. The moment they receive multiple complaints, they may suspend services, block content access, disable servers, request immediate content removal. For a normal business website, this isn't usually a problem. But for content sharing, streaming, file hosting, or video distribution projects, frequent complaints can create serious operational risks. That's why many large content platforms carefully choose their infrastructure from the beginning. Let's look at the common methods used by streaming and video hosting websites. Using DMCA Ignored Hosting. One of the most common solutions is using DMCA Ignored Hosting. These hosting providers are generally located in jurisdictions where copyright enforcement procedures may differ from those in countries like the United States. Instead of instantly suspending services after receiving complaints, these providers often review situations differently depending on local regulations. This gives website operators more stability and time to manage issues. Distributing content across multiple servers. Professional streaming platforms rarely rely on a single server. Instead, they distribute content across multiple VPS servers, dedicated servers, storage servers, backup servers. If one server experiences issues, other systems can continue operating. This improves uptime and reduces operational risks. Using content delivery networks, CDNs. Large video platforms often use CDNs. A CDN stores copies of content across multiple locations worldwide. Benefits include faster video delivery, reduced server load, better user experience, improved scalability. For streaming websites with thousands of daily visitors, this infrastructure becomes extremely important. Separating website and storage infrastructure. Many professional operators separate website front-end, database server, video storage server. This architecture improves performance and makes infrastructure management much easier. Instead of placing everything on one machine, each component performs its own dedicated role. Regular backups. One thing successful platforms never ignore is backups. They maintain daily backups, weekly backups, off-site backups. If anything happens to the primary server, content can be restored quickly. Without backups, a single issue can result in major data loss. Even with strong infrastructure, streaming and video hosting platforms face several challenges. High storage requirements. Videos consume huge amounts of storage. A growing platform can easily require terabytes of space. Bandwidth costs. Video streaming generates significant bandwidth usage. As traffic increases, bandwidth expenses increase as well. Server performance. Poor servers can cause buffering, slow loading, playback interruptions, security risks. Streaming platforms are often targeted by DDoS attacks, abuse reports, bot traffic, unauthorized access attempts. This is why infrastructure quality matters so much. If you're planning to launch a video hosting platform, a streaming website, a media sharing community, a large file hosting service, you should focus on reliable uptime, strong network performance, high bandwidth availability, scalable storage, infrastructure, flexibility, responsive support. Many successful projects spend more time selecting hosting than building the website itself, because even the best platform can fail if the infrastructure is weak. Now, if you're looking for hosting designed for streaming platforms, video hosting websites, media sharing projects, or content-heavy websites, you can take a look at QLoudHost's DMCA Ignored Hosting solutions. Many website owners prefer this type of hosting because it offers infrastructure that can better support content-focused projects and high-bandwidth workloads. If you'd like to learn more, QLoudHost's link is available in the description below. Make sure to visit and check it out. And that's it for today's video. I hope you now have a much better understanding of how streaming and video hosting sites protect themselves from takedowns and maintain stable operations. If you still have any questions or confusion, drop them in the comments section below, and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more hosting, VPS, server, and infrastructure-related content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.